something has been quietly shifting in how marketing teams run influencer campaigns, and most people haven't noticed yet. If you work in marketing or you follow what's happening in the creator economy, you've probably seen the frustration play out in real time. A brand wants to run a campaign. Someone has to find the right creators. Someone has to send the outreach, then follow up again and again. Someone has to chase content drafts, review them, chase again for revisions, track deliveries, manage contracts, send payments. For a single campaign with 10 creators, that's a full-time job for at least one person. Scale that to 100 creators across multiple markets, and you're looking at a team problem that headcount alone can't solve cleanly. That's the world influencer marketing has been operating in for years. AhaCreator is a product that's been built specifically around the idea that this doesn't have to be how it works anymore. It's launched as an AI-powered platform for influencer marketing, and at a surface level, that description doesn't sound unusual. A lot of tools have added AI to their dashboards in the last 2 years, but what's different about AhaCreator is the scope of what the AI is actually doing. It's not assisting with parts of the workflow. It's designed to handle the operational side of the whole thing end to end. Creator discovery, outreach, follow-ups, timeline management, content review, delivery tracking. The framing they use is that of an AI agent, not a tool. That distinction actually matters. A tool gives you a faster way to do something manually. An agent takes over the execution and handles it for you. So I went into their demo environment to see what that actually looks like in practice. The first thing worth showing is the creator matching. Instead of opening a filter panel and adjusting follower ranges and location dropdowns, you just describe what you're looking for. Plain language. Something like a tech-focused creator, audience that skews toward early adopters, strong engagement on short-form content, brand fit for a consumer AI product. From that description, the AI builds an audience persona first. It maps out who the ideal audience actually is before it starts looking for creators. Then it surfaces a list of matches, and this is the part that's different from anything I've seen on other platforms. Each recommendation comes with reasoning, not just a match score. The AI explains why each creator fits the brief, what it saw in their content, what their audience composition looks like, why the brand fit makes sense. That's a genuinely different experience from scrolling through a database and guessing. And this is what it looks like when AI is actually applied to it correctly. Once a creator confirms on AhaCreator, the AI takes over the coordination layer entirely. Timeline management, milestone reminders, automatic escalation when a delivery is delayed, real-time progress tracking. The operational overhead that normally requires a dedicated campaign manager per creator relationship gets absorbed into the system. AhaCreator has over 80,000 creators who are onboarded, verified, and active on the platform. When a campaign goes live, responses typically start coming in within hours. For teams that need to go wider than that, there's the full 5 million plus database to pull from. Every collaboration also comes with a standardized contract structure and escrow payment protection built in. Cross-border payments to over 140 countries are handled through the platform. If a creator doesn't deliver according to the agreed scope and timeline, the refund mechanism is built into the process, not something you have to chase separately. The version launching in June is AhaCreator 3.0, and it brings 3 major upgrades. The AI matching has been significantly improved. Multimodal risk screening has been added, which means the system is now analyzing visual content, not just text and metadata. And the content review workflows have been automated, so drafts can be checked against a brief at scale without every review sitting in a human queue. The reason this matters in a broader sense is that it's starting to create a gap between two different kinds of teams. One group is still scaling their influencer programs through headcount, more campaign managers, more coordination workflows, more manual relationship management. Growth is linear and capped by how many people you can add. The other group is operating with a fundamentally different model. Lean teams with AI handling most of the operational execution layer, running more campaigns simultaneously across more markets. The gap compounds over time. Across AI, consumer electronics, DTC, and gaming, teams using AhaCreator are already running at a different operational pace. Most of them aren't announcing it publicly. They're just moving faster and more efficiently while everyone else is still hiring. That's the actual shift that's happening in influencer marketing right now. And AhaCreator is one of the clearest examples of what that shift looks like in practice. If this is something worth exploring for your team, you can find AhaCreator at ahacreator.com. Link is in the description. Subscribe, like, and comment your thoughts. See you in the next one.